And how are you?
I'm doing amazing. Thank you for asking.
Yes, yes.
We are
And
planning for session for long. Sorry for inconvenience for and we are not on time because I was busy somewhere. And you are also working person and you are also trying to connect with me. And thank you for your patience that you are keep
yes,
messaging me and you are keep scheduling your session with me. I appreciate your efforts. Thank you so much for these efforts. Yeah.
all right, ma'am. And we're meeting first time. First of all, please introduce yourself.
Yeah. I am Dipali and I am from Maharashtra. As you know that I have also YouTube channel. Have a long way to go, Dipali. It is my YouTube channel name, and this is all about me. Can you please tell me about yourself? It is in briefly.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
definitely. First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das and I am connecting from West Bengal. And by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. Apart from also, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me, ma'am.
Yeah, that is amazing. As you mentioned that you are working in a hospital as a ward boy, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so can you please tell me your experiences during hospital duty? How
Yes.
was your experience when you joined your first job and this hospital as well?
Yes, I have been working in the hospital for 10 years. Yeah, that's why also I have a lot of experience in hospital. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. So why did you come in this? Why did you come into this field? Because people do not like to come to this field. So why you have chosen this field?
In the hospital.
Yeah.
Actually, I did not choose this place also. Actually, I have sat on the PSC examination, Public Service Commission. Do you know Public Service Commission? I have sat
Yeah.
on the PSC examination, but after giving the PSC examination, I have got it. Yeah, but I don't choose this department. Yeah.
Wow, okay. You are also prepared for exams, government exams as well.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
But I
What?
don't like this kind of job. Yeah, I always like teaching. Yeah, I always like teaching, and that's why when I was studying in my college, at the same time I was teaching at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject, and there were 120 students in a six batch. And after that also I have sat many competitive examinations for teaching purpose, but I have cleared the TET qualified. But giving the interview also I did not success in my life, and that's why also right now I am working in the hospital. Yeah.
Wow, it is amazing. You are also like teaching and you are also working in a hospital and you have also prepared for government exams as well. You are multi-talented, I must say.
No, right now also I don't teach. Yeah, right now also I don't teach. But earlier also I was teaching. But right now also I don't teach because I don't get free time. Yeah, I have to do shifting duty, morning, evening, night in the hospital. That's why also I don't teach. Yeah, I don't get free time.
Yeah, it is very difficult to reserve our me time. Do you know what is me time? How do you manage your me time?
Yeah, right now also I have been running my YouTube channel about 4 months. But when I went, but today also I went to the morning duty, and right now afternoon time I am free. That's why also I am practicing right now with you. Yeah.
Yeah. When did you start this spoken English journey? Can you please tell me about your journey? Why did you start this journey?
Yes, definitely. And I have been learning English for a long time. I have been learning English about 1 year and 6 months, but I have been speaking English about 8 months. Yeah. And I have been learning English for a long time because there is another reason. Because when I was starting in my school life, when I was starting in class 8 standard and 9 standard, at that time my English was not good. And at that time also I was very weak in English subject. And at that time also I could not write one sentence in English properly. At that time I did not know how to make a sentence in English. Yeah. But after that also in this time I am working person, and in this time also, whenever I get free time, I always try to learn English. In this time also, I have completed grammatical rules. Yeah, and after completing the grammatical rule, I start my English speaking journey. Yeah, and I have been speaking English about 8 months.
2 years ago, I was practicing 2020 arts
Yeah.
as well. like as you know that girls speaks more than boys, and we think a lot, right? So I take that advantages and I started to think in English as well.
Partner, do you have any friend who is willing to learn English?
Here in Maharashtra, my friends are not interested to learn this language. They'll be saying, Dipali, what are you doing and what are you speaking? This is that we are not interested to learn this language. I said that okay, I like this language. That's it. They are not interested to learn this language. They are doing great in their life without this language as well. Amazing. They give you compliment actually. Yeah, they are
Okay.
supportive.
And
Yeah.
ma'am, I am asking you one question. And 1 or 2 months ago, I talked another people who are belong to Maharashtra, and I asked to her and what is your favorite food? And she told me my favorite food bora pav. Do you know bora pav?
Yeah. But I like puran puri a lot. It is a Maharashtrian
Yes,
dish. It is sweet soft chapati.
yes,
Have you heard about puran puri?
yes, yes.
Yeah, so I like puran puri a lot. So we cook during festivals, Diwali, Dashahara, and other festival as well. It is a most popular dish in Maharashtra. Whatever the festival is, we always make puran puri.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
And ma'am,
yeah.
you're from Maharashtra. You're from Maharashtra, and have you visited any another state in our country?
Yes, Madhya Pradesh. It is nearby my state because of that, and it is just boundary of my district as well. And because of that, I have visited a place. Salbadi is there, and also Kokru Khamla. It is nearby my place, and so I visited a place. It is beautiful. You know, Lord Shiva. There is one cave. You need to scroll that cave, and that is how you can visit the temple, Lord Shiva. It is in, and the beauty of
Yes,
the temple is it is in a small cave. It makes the temple different.
yes. And ma'am, do you like reading English newspaper for your improving your vocabulary skill?
I used to collect lots of articles. I used to also buy lots of newspaper. I was like, I want, and I used to use journal as well. I was writing what I have done from morning till the night, each and everything. But I was not consistent in writing. And then I still remember that I was reading that newspaper, and every time I was just listening and reading that news, crime news and all, and because of that I stopped to read. I was
And ma'am,
also,
my
yeah, I was also collecting the one newspaper only, and I give command to myself, Dipali, I am not going to buy new newspaper. I will only read this newspaper for entire week. So I also tried this. So this trick will definitely help you. If you want to become a fluent speaker, you do not need lots of material. In very affordable and available material, you can learn this language. Even if you have school book, you can also read school books as well. If you have your college book, you can. Otherwise, your neighbors, they are in a school. You can ask them for 20 minutes and just read their book as well. Textbooks will help you definitely, like small textbooks,
yes, yes.
children.
IELTS examinations?
IELTS examination, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So, do you want to give that examination?
No, no, no. I am asking you. And do you want to give the examination?
I do not want to go for abroad
Abroad.
for higher education because I have completed my education. So, but I want to travel. Hey, thank you for joining the session and requesting me. And I appreciate your efforts that you keep contacting me. You try. You are asking me that you want to have session, and actually it is appreciating. Thank you for waiting. And finally we have a session. I have enjoyed this session, and you are a good speaker, I must say. But I will tell you that
Yeah, yeah.
just keep practicing. Do not forget to practice each and every day at least 20 minutes because practicing each day is necessary, right? So keep
Yes, yes. You're right.
practicing. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.